Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastava. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video of class 3rd, and today's chapter is chapter 5, more about paint, and today's topic that is recalling the paint tools. Paint, as you know, in an accessories program that help you to draw and color. Let us quickly revise the tools that we learned in the previous classes. So tools in the tools group. So I think all of you also know how you can open a paint program, and paint program is used to draw and colors any picture. If you want, then you can draw easily on paint program and color it as per your choice. Okay students, so tools in this group help us to draw and color. There are pencil tool, brushes tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool. And tools in the shapes group: line tool, curve tool, oval tool, rectangle tool and polygon tool. So to find the name and the function of any tool, just bring the mouse pointer over that tool. A tool tip box will displaying the name and the function of the tool. So various tools, which pencil tool help us to draw freehand lines like real pencil. Brushes tools, collection of different types of brushes that help us to draw freehand lines in different style like real paint brush. Just like as a real paint brush, you can easily draw anything with that brush tool. Eraser tool help us you to erase mistakes in your drawings. It can be used to erase even the colored area. If any mistake drawn in my drawing, then you can easily erase it with the eraser tool. Fill with color tool help us to fill a drawing or shape with color. Tools in the shapes group: line tool help us to draw a straight line. Curve tool help us to draw smooth curved lines. Oval tool help us to draw ovals and circles. Rectangle tool used to draw rectangle and squares. And polygon tool used to draw shapes with any number of straight sides. So and more paint tool are also. First I tell you how you can open a paint program. So it is very easy. How you can open: you have to click on that start, and then this there is also a paint program. If you click, then it will be open directly, but the standard way is that you have to click on that all programs, then you have to go on accessories, and in accessories folder there is a paint. Okay, in that accessories there is the paint. You have to click, and then the paint will open like that. Okay, the various tools I will show you. Look, that is the tools in tools group and tools in a shapes group. So this is a brush tool, pencil tool, okay, fill with color tool. This is a brush tool. This is a eraser tool, okay, and this is a text tool. This is a magnifier tool, and this is a color picker tool. And the shapes, that is a line tool, that is a curved line tool, this is a oval tool, this is a rectangular tool, and this is a polygon. Okay, and various tools. A triangle also, if you want, then you can easily draw triangle tool, right triangle, rhombus, diamond shape. Various types of shapes are available. Okay, more paint tools. In class 2nd, we learned to work with some important tools in paint. Let us now learn to use some more paint tools. Text tool. The text tool allows us to add text or messages to our drawing. The steps to use this tools are as follows. Open the required file and click on the home tab. Select the text tool from the tools group. Drag the pointer in the drawing area to draw a text box of a required size. The cursor will appear inside the text box, and a new tab called the text tab will appear in the ribbon area. This type of tab is that. This is a new tab. Okay, text tab. Click the text tab in the font group. Click the font type, size and style for the text. In the colors group, click color 1 and then click a color for the text. Fifth, type the text that you want to add. When finished, click anywhere out of the text box. The text box will disappear, leaving the text behind. When finished, save the file by clicking on the save button on the quick access toolbar. Students, remember one thing, the text will display in the foreground color. The text tab that appears on the ribbon with the text box allows you to change the size, type and style of the text. So how you can apply a text tool? So easily, that is very easy. First you draw anything. This is a pencil tool. Through this pencil tool you can easily draw any picture. Okay, easily you can. And this is a brush tool. Which color, which type of brush you want? Too much thicker, too much shorter, too much thinner, which type of brush, then you can easily and click, and you have to click this type of, this is okay, that is the very standard way through which you can color it. Okay, but that is the fill with color. Click and then click. Okay, that is easily done. Okay, that is easily done. And that is a brush tool. Now I have telling you the text tool. Then you have to click on the text tool. Okay, and you have to select it, and where you want, then you have to drag that mouse and look. This is the text tool area where you have to type. Okay, and now this is the text tab where we have to select the font, which font we want. Then we have to easily select that font, and which type of size increase, decrease, or whatever size you want. Then bold, italic, any color if you want, then you can easily select the color. And now type here. You have to easily type. This is the text tool. Through this text tool we can type anything in our paint. Okay, that is, look, through this, that is a brush tool and pencil tool, and this is the text tool through which we can write this. Okay, next, making text background color. By default, the background color of a text box is transparent, not visible to us. If you want, you can give a colored background to the text by following these steps. Select the text tool and drag it in the drawing area to draw a text box. In the text tab on the background group, click on the opaque button. Click on the color 2 button from the colors group and select the desired background color from the color box. The background color below the text will change accordingly. Now select a suitable color one and type the text. Click anywhere outside the text box to finish. Once you click outside the text box, the text changes into an image and then you cannot edit it. Okay, so this is the way how we can making a text background color. Here I am only typing and its background is not colored. If I want to color text background, then how you can do it? Then you have to select it and drag it. Look here, and now delicious fruit. Type here. Okay, delicious fruit. You type here. Look, that is in the text tab. And now click on the background group. That is the background group, and in this you have to click on the opaque button. Okay, and then click on the color 2 button from the colors group. Color 2, which color you want, then you can easily look here. Okay, which color you want, then you can click on that, and then the text background, then the text background color will change accordingly. And if any color one you want, then you have to first you select that color. Okay, and any color one if you want change, then you can easily change the color one. Okay, now select a suitable color and type the text. Click anywhere to, and then click. It will be finished. Okay, through this is the only text tool in which a text is typed, and this is the making text background colored. Okay. One is the color picker tool. The color picker tool allows you to choose a color from another drawing or picture and fill it into your drawing. The steps to use this tool are as follows. Click on the color picker tool, click on the color you want from the drawing, and easily this is the color picker tool. If any color you want, then you have to click on that. Okay, and which color you want this. Look here, that the color will be changed. Look, if I change, if I click here this, then it will be, look, yellow. Okay, which color you want, then you can easily change it through which color picker tool. This is the tool through which we can pick a color. The magnifier tool. The magnifier tool works like a smart magnifying glass. We can use it to increase or decrease the viewing size of an image. The steps to use this tool are as follows. Click on the magnifier tool, bring the mouse pointer over the drawing, left click to increase the view size of the drawing, right click to decrease the view size of the drawing. Do you know the magnifier tool does not change the actual size of the drawing, it only magnifies the drawing to make it look bigger or smaller. If you want to check how much any point is left here or whatever is that, then you can use the magnifier tool to increase or decrease the size of the image while viewing. So click on that, and then look, if you want the left click, and if you want to decrease, then click. Okay, so that is the magnifier tool. This is the magnifier tool through which we can magnify our image part. Okay, then you can easily click, left click, then the size increases, and you have to right click, then the size decreases. Okay, thank you students, that is for today. Okay, have a nice day.